Hello everyone, in this video tutorial you will learn how to find out the registration date of your or someone else's account on Instagram. To find out the registration date of your account, you need to go to your profile at the bottom right corner and click on the three lines at the top right. Then go to Settings. Next, type Account History in the search bar. Scroll down to the very bottom and you will see the date when the account was created. To find out the registration date of someone else's account, open the user's profile, touch the three dots at the top right corner and select About this account. In the Date Joined field, you can find out when the page was created. If you don't see the About this account section on some accounts, you need to first subscribe to the person's page. I hope this information was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel to not miss new interesting videos. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.